Neil deGrasse Tyson has said that somehow it's okay for people to chuckle about not being good at math. Yet if I said I never learned to read, they'd say I was an illiterate dolt. Many parents as well as educators have long expressed their own anxieties when it comes to math. Why is that? One of the things I've seen in my work is that many individuals are not fluent in basic computation skills and yet have been taught so many different rules. Anxiety rises when individuals do not know which rule to apply and when to apply it. Researchers have shown that math anxiety of adults is important in a child's life, and it is transferred to the child's own math achievement. This research has shown that these children are less proficient in math and make less gains. Think about it. A math-anxious parent helps a math-anxious child with their math homework. I'm not sure how growth happens in that situation. Just like with reading, math requires an explicit and systematic approach to instruction. Every child needs to become fluent in the core foundational skill math concepts in order to perform higher level math skills. This is so important because they're learning a new language in math. There's nothing worse than seeing a child who lacks fluency in basic math concepts being taught many different ways to solve the same math computation problem. I know you've seen it. Your child's done it in their homework. They're shown how to do a partial sum product solution. They're shown how to do mental math, or to use the geometric representation of partial products, or even lattice multiplication. I know you've seen them. They're frustrating. I know you've Googled videos on how to do them. There are more steps, drawings, and computations to be done in those methods than there would be if the child solved it with basic fluent math computations. There's a place and a time to learn these other methods. It is not with an early math student who has not yet mastered basic math skills. And I'm not talking just about kindergarten through third graders. I'm talking about your fourth, fifth, and sixth graders who are still counting on their fingers and are therefore not yet fluent in basic math computations. In our program, we strengthen the core foundational math concepts in a systematic way, ensuring that the learner achieves fluency on every single skill before moving to higher level math concepts. What is so cool about our program is that as our learners master these basic math facts, we get for free an improvement in higher level math concepts. For free, I mean we get gains without direct instruction. What skills do we address? We address counting, 1 to 100, backwards from 100 to 1, skip counting by 5, 10s, 15s, hundreds, thousands, and then we skip count by 2 to 9, which is basically a multiplication and division. Each of these behaviors should be performed at a rate of 100 digits per minute. We address the critical skills of place and value. Place and value are actually two separate concepts, and most children see it as one. Those skills are essential to do estimation, rounding, multiplication, and division. We teach students to read numbers at a rate of 100 per minute. We teach the basic concepts of addition and subtraction and putting sets together and taking them apart. And one of the cool things we do is we teach the math facts in a very simplistic but cool way of fact families. There are 324 math facts that a child needs to learn, and we teach it in only 72. Through a sequence, a 7 steps unique sequence that teaches them through blocks, through writing, through hearing. So for example, the number bond of 2, 4, 6, you get 4 math facts. 2 plus 4 equals 6, 4 plus 2 equals 6, 6 minus 2 equals 4, and 6 minus 4 equals 2. So we reduce those facts from 342 down to 72. Our explicit and systematic approach to teaching math concepts serves as the bridge to learning complex mathematical concepts. We make mathematics repertoire accessible for every one of our learners. We consistently produce 1 to 2 years of academic growth and concepts and applications and computation in only 40 hours. To learn about our math program and how we can help your child become proficient, visit our calendar to schedule a free 45-minute consultation.